Locals of Habjan up in arms against illegal forest encroachers. Hello and good morning. You're watching Karbinglong Live English Primetime News. Hundreds of people from 30 villages under Upper and Lower Habjan join hands to protect the forest land between Habjan River Bridge to Sibunsiba from illegal encroachers. Villagers asserted that the forest is their life and they depend for it for their firewood, vegetable, fodder for animals and also several other materials needed for traditional rituals and therefore would never allow the forest to be destroyed. The threat emerged. Huge number of illegal encroachers descended into the area since July with the motive to establish illegal settlement at a time when the newly widened DDS is on the verge of completion. And on Saturday, these illegal encroachers again descended into the area and clear vast area of the forest with the aim to setting up a new settlement area without any legal permission or without holding discussion with the local villagers. Even though the locals intervened and attempted to prevail upon the encroachers to stop carrying illegal encroachment activities, the encroachers ignored them and continued clearing the forest. Local leader Khoya Kathar told that the encroachers first began the clearing of forest with 20 people, then about 50 people on the second occasion, and on Saturday, more than 200 people descended into the forest area. The forest department had been informed of the issue, but locals told that the encroachers are not ready to stop.
Nilitum pini ladak kecing rum nang koke, jen nilitum ladak gitu rong plim plampen hala 2 kilo songbong ladak nilitum sibun tiba riya belong bang manen naru je pin pen nilitum lukelafan ahisab awe pin pen dak riyap nange priya joine si nilitum pini cingrum nang kok lasi alang litum nilitum afan gangbura tu mafan matang te rong osor fan aru je pin pen ladak riyap matang te ladak gitu na ingnam nang ki pri bangke nilitum sitame rat pen sitame ning duglo lasi alang litum sitame munen bi lason ke choklem pleje fan nilitum hin pen chuning rilo.
Talking to media persons, a local woman expressed her disappointment over the massive illegal encroachment into the forest area. The women say that the locals of Habjan are poor, there are no educated people and almost no government employee from the area, and hence the forest is the only source of their livelihood. It is from this forest they gather wild vegetables from here and sell them in the Deepu market.
Chuni rilo la penili kardom pajero prangsi la sinilitum nalitum pan ke phalam the la dak bini ke chethan nang ko kadima bangke la dak nilitum habjan la dak tibun tiba la so ariyap along masap so talom sodo la sinilitum la so talom so long nilitum ke la dak si lohan pheng sitame nilitum la pusi churi bom cholam bom daksi la sinilitum galadak rong asor nilitum kiduga khai mane nitum karbi pusitame nilitum ladak hello habjan area mate thibun thiba area hello nilitum kiduk ladak backward night ajakat lo la sinilitum galadak madu ahem sitame service ave saguria ave la son cholong le junlong le khai sai de la sinilitum gala sariap so talom so long sinilitum ke reng ibom la si khai so lo son sinilitum phan man lo la sinon alang litum nanat penlo nevang atum alang litum igatum ni atum alang litum cingrum si alang litum la soriyam nang kipriya pan sa alang litum wanglo la sinon nilitum nang litum phan reporter hin pen nilitum nang chopan nang koklo la sinilitum kachuning ri alang litum phan bang bom atum phan kachuning ri alam bangke la si pini penang para ke pinap pen ke alang litum la soriya balong nang patebok bedaji phansi la sinilitum rat la pen rong asar la pen rubasa la pen sorkari kangbura tum pen nilitum cingrum siladak la so mai nilitum pini patinang koklo la salang litum hasa chuning ri parvik lo la pen aling ke theatum cmbm atum han sitame la so lama bangke nilitum ladak rong asor atum sitame dak rong krip horong trok do la so talom nilitum chakha la si rong ang bong si nilitum la so talom do la si pupen si tame nilitum la so riyab long si nilitum reng bom la si nilitum rong khelan long si tame la so riyab long si nilitum han churi si nilitum han chu yordam ani wang si tame dipua sor si tame nilitum hanang theklong la pe nilitum kidu karat benong nilitum ge rong asor nilitum ge lekha bora ve nilitum ge service ave pasi nilitum ge so riyab si nilitum cha khalo la si so riyab bangke rong rup na ke seng sedia je ban si nilitum malang litum hasi chuning riparvik lo.
Upper Habjan SGP Rup Singh also expressed his clear stand that they will not allow the forest to be owned by the encroachers. He said that the forest is surrounded by Karbi village from all sides and it has been protected.
Labang so Riyab along le pusi ira stamela so Riyab along le bangke pinana muli tu chini la bangke rong Karbi arong si kom thiblo Karbi arong bong si dolo la bangke Hiria pita mesi rong isya talom soco. La so talom so along sinon pinangan Karbi. Kaprek hawar Karbi ang lo kaprek hawar pen wang lo. Je so along li labang so 6 piso along rong lup kikimji pusi nang mang pen. Kidam tang kiti rui niang bong pinangan ladak litum teglong lo la silabang so along mang kanitum ta labang so kato khol dia sorong rom kim gipo lo maritum ta kido barim rat panceng lok rong asar panceng lok la pen nilitum sorkar gam branda tidonun thekthi binong la bangke lasi tuning ri lo.
There is no good school, any government office or any other institution set up along the DDS road from Birla to Rongplimplam. People here say that the forest land could be reserved for building schools, colleges and health facilities in the future. But they can never allow the new settlement to come up here as it may lead to further tension. Residents of 30 villages urge upon the Forest Department as well as the KAL to take stringent measures to stop further destruction of the forest. The villagers are feeling extremely helpless and threatened before growing numbers of people coming on cars to destroy their source of livelihood and their future. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. Dikrut sarpo aboha nang litum anam jum hekpen chumesen akhanaan long ichi ladak nang litum Karbi kitun kedang ateng pensi long ponichi kelong jia sona mong lake hantu mehek kangmoy kalangdang hanserang han hipi ki phi chatni dumke karlu phak ok ki up phak ok slice fry phak ok ki phi phak ok ki mong lang ok ki up lang ok fry vo ok ki mong vo ok han la penan parta VIP AC room longponengchi komania hemjong si birthday party pangri pangdona mai la pen kaprek ga chai megalongta nangji pulote long ichi aprang pen ke pathi ke jiaphan 8761-940-579 lapen 9365-239-862 along humri lote longponichi lapen mingchibi ikha ajo ke sangja par saisetami ingdeng hini asiang deng ingpu poniklo dikrut sarpo aboha adim lake dongmoka Karbi Anglong. While people in Karbi Anglong are destructing the existing forest land in a bid to make Haflong town greener, a massive tree plantation drive was organized at Assam Rifles Haflong garrison in Haflong on Sunday morning. A get-together program was also held to address social and climatic changes by planting more trees in Haflong garrison, lungs of Haflong. Here is a report. The initiative was taken for the first time by Assam Rifles Battalion, part of Headquarter 21, to open its garrison for locals to showcase its greenery as a benchmark for everyone to emulate.
Okay, I'm also given to understand that this campus has been thrown open to general public to visit the campus and have a look around on all the plantation work that has been done and see the beautification work going on in the campus. Commandant has been kind enough to permit the general public to come to the campus and be aware of the campus beautification and how the settings has been done in the 11 Assam Chhavni campus. I am thankful to 11 Assam Rifle Commandant and all the staff of 11 Assam Rifle for giving us this opportunity to be part of this a mega plantation drive in the campus. And as I am informed, in last last 2 month or so period, more than 2.5 lakh saplings have been planted in the campus, and now that drive is going on, this is for almost 1 lakh saplings of different fruit bearing plants, decorative plants, and other local plants are being planted, and large number of people have taken part in this drive, and we are really privileged to be part of this drive.
The program was also attended by doctors, social workers, school children and other dignitaries of civil stream as well as local denizens. The participants were welcomed to plant saplings on the occasion. The Assam Rifles, under its commanding officer, aims to plant over 75,000 plants inside its garrison with environment parks, nurseries and orchids with varieties of plants. The initiative is also aimed to aware the local citizens towards a greener Haflong and serving as a source of inspiration for plantation drive. Several personnel of the 147 Battalion of CRPF, led by its CO, Sharun Kumar Meena, also took part in the event. Suraj Burman's report from Haflong, Karbi Anglong Live. Vothat Langso MLA Rup Singh Teron on Sunday laid the foundation stone for construction of free house under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana urban scheme in Vothat Langso. The foundation stone was laid in presence of Dwar Amla MSc Prabhat Chandra Taro, Municipal Board Chairman Chandra Rongkhang and Vice Chairman Harsing Rongpar. This centrally sponsored scheme is not only being implemented in rural areas but is also being started in urban areas. During the event, local MLA Rup Singh Teron stated the schemes have also started and construction of house for the eligible families or beneficiaries living under the Vothat Langso Municipal Board area will continue. While talking to Karbi Anglong Live, MLA Teron said that several houses sanctioned under the PMAY urban scheme have also been completed and that the foundation stone laid today for 3 houses is part of the developmental work which is being carried out in the area. He also informed that a total of 130 houses have been sanctioned for Vothat Langso Municipal Board under the PMAY urban scheme.
Non ke le non na sarkar bang ke tung taun long ta heng kim lo trang bang ke heng kim long le rong cho ta nong ke taun long bang ke kim lo pen la so heng ki kim bang ke rong pen ke da taun long bang ke hem ta the chen me pen rum da ong chen lo asi la so sarkar abang ke non BJP sarkar si pi pon lo la si la so pi pon puta si tung dak butang so taun committee man seperti an kang bang ta tung da bang ke pudam na taun ta sa su ketika ada len ke deposi ke long do na bang ko Papichen mano kita kelong kekem tang tun da bang do kapre ton kum tilong bang ke pada butang so ton kum tilong bang ta non kim puta dak bang ke eli tum kadu ta long haji alam the bang ke la hello la da bang ke isi guideline do la so guideline te kan tum tang long ke do tum basically ke la dak na to ra de boy de ta tum pusu nang kok lo dak bang si
On the other hand, when being asked as to why the construction of road under SIDF scheme to connect Vothat Langso and Amsoy has not taken off, MLA Teron and MSc Taro told Karbi Anglong Live that contract between first contractor was terminated for his failure to complete the road. Further, the leaders told Karbi Anglong Live that the contract which was later awarded to Robinson Teron and Dilip Milik were also terminated for their failure to start the work, and therefore discussion is underway now to construct road under a new scheme and will be completed very soon.
Ini bangke mana Indian government housing, Ministry of housing, Ministry pensi la dak pilot town committee mana municipal long tenta, mana sora muncot abang pu tu mapan hamsu akijot ngi kim. Ati da bu dalam so along mangta la son lang tu wai lo mama pansi la do hamsu ki kim bon ke chengi ma dam tang ta ki kim bon pra pu do lo mama second press ko lang tu kang wai pa teng lang le si tu ngi tu ba de pu local MSc pendang lo da commissioner chairman vice chairman ti tong si leader man ti tong si tu ani oge pon pa do
hum kan bak do
Pini ke ini ke hum thoma lang tang ki kim bani pangai dak do 130 bagai sab do 130.
It may be mentioned that the contractor had failed to construct the road sanctioned under the SIDF scheme even after 4 years has passed, due to which people of the area have been severely hit by communication woes, and which unfortunately is likely to continue indefinite period of time unless drastic action is taken at a higher level. Wiki-based report from Dongkamakam, Karbi Anglong Live. Residents of Koilamati, Thoniram Ingti village falling under the 25 Nilip MSC constituency has expressed their heartfelt gratitude towards social worker James Pancho for extending his assistance towards purchase of water pipe. The villagers have been raising money to purchase water pipe to connect with the main source of water, which is 5 kilometers away from their village. This village is more than 40 years old, and as expected, the village is deprived of all basic needs and infrastructure due to its remoteness. For decades, drinking water is one of the biggest problems of the village. And upon getting information about the plight of the families of this village, social worker James Pancho on Sunday visited the village to personally get acquainted with problem of the villagers. During this visit, he was also told about the effort of the village to take the task of addressing the water problem by collecting money of Rs 2,000 per family to purchase water pipe. Following this, the social worker donated Rs 10,000 to help the villagers in getting the water pipe quicker. The money was handed over to the village headman.
La si apor ke me la pen ikupailo e bahalo rat sai klembang pu James Pancho alangli labangso dhunaraming tierong sor akaningri akisung theklong pen pu sar jiten rongpi alangli hoi pen rong sor pen chingwai chingsai pen alangli letu makang chir alang to makar iya kenang arjulong si pini alangli kam suris tamechi o kok pen dak dhunaraming tierong long an nang humri lo.
A meeting was held at Longsing Ingti's residence, during which social worker James Pancho was present as chief guest. Other noted individuals who were also present at the meeting include GB Sarding Ingti, social worker Boson Rongpar, Jiten Rongpi, Mendelson Rongpar, Daniel Bay and Ken Bay, among others. During the meeting, the villagers conveyed their gratitude towards social worker for his empathy and monetary assistance to help their villagers purchase the water pipe.
Ladak ado we labangso rong bin langso na thoi pu arong ke don pikira po ba don ke bagdo latum ningkan hong kep ke soselo labangso rong ki seta latum ke ningkreng hot ke lang kijun pansik sakpi lapian latum hem pe na kilo kilometer hini anbak ha inglong isi hini arlu nang la lapian ha arlok ang sila tumlang tusok nam nang na asila bangso kasik sak social media lapian paper media lapian electronic media long tame teklang pon bom lo ke dam tan tame labangso kira pilong ni pansik karbiang long ke tigeding tum han tuning ri bom lo sitame labangso ang hegebang ke pini nang klang bang ke lahan lo tum kacing hon jam hangcu alang li social worker alang rat asai klembang lo rong bin langsung thoi phan alang li nang kacing hon pen labang so birta lang kijun pen kasik sak pen abirta long si alang li labang so dim nang humri lo athe labang so dim nang humri pen alang li akirap samen nang tekang lo labang so lang pep ki wan yi phan mane nadak labang so arong pen kahelo kilometer phon bagdo lang pep kenam je phan lang pong kenam je phan chirung idon pen sikasuri ni chirung pon do
litum lang stamit tupik ala pit arning kreng apor la pembarika apor stamit si lang nang alang pong nang pi po siru par pik la bang so lang stamit hok pe nang kapali thu tek pi mi je phan si ni ansu so ni lihen pen stamit siru par pik lo
la so alang di en tum ka ching hon asa jem phang chu alang di ke sik sak ong si ni tum phan pini alang di wang si
tangka asa west tami la so lang pe pa phan ki na mi phan la so lang pe ki na mi phan si tangka asa west tami alang di na ki tikang pa lang mi phan ta churulu
Samson Inti from Koilamati, Karbi Anglong Live. And that is how we have it as for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.